Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and set Airdrop visibility to contacts only or everyone depending on recipient trust. Next, find the app you want to share, either its App Store page or the app icon if the system supports sharing. Once done, unlock both devices and keep them close, because Airdrop uses proximity and radio signals. This reduces dropped connections. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so incoming You initiate the transfer by opening the app share sheet or long pressing the app icon to reveal share options. Select Share and then Airdrop. When Airdrop opens, you'll see nearby devices. Tap the recipient's name. Once selected, the sender's device waits for the recipient to accept. This handshake confirms identity and starts the transfer. Make sure the recipient watches their screen and taps Accept. If the app isn't shareable, you'll instead send a link or App Store entry. You finish by watching the transfer complete on both screens. The receiver taps Install or Open if the App Store link is delivered. Once complete, confirm the app runs correctly. If it fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and retry, because radio glitches often cause drops. Also move devices closer, within a few meters. If problems persist, temporarily set Airdrop to everyone to bypass contact discovery issues, then revert the setting after the transfer to maintain privacy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.